Reasons for automation. Public and private sector organizations increasingly rely upon computers and information technology to deliver their services and programs more efficiently. Records and archives institutions are not exceptions to this trend. Almost any records-related activity can be automated in some fashion. For example, word processing can be used for correspondence, inventory development, and report generation. Spreadsheets can be used to manage budgets or track project expenditures. Databases can maintain information about staff or about records or archives. Automation should facilitate daily operations and planning. The pressures to automate are great. In this age of instant information, there is an increasing demand for speedy access to information, records, and archives. Furthermore, existing manual systems may lead to duplication of effort and repetition of work. Manual systems can be time-consuming, costly, inflexible, and prone to human error. However, as will be discussed below, computerization is only effective if the proper analysis and planning is completed prior to the purchase and implementation of new technology. Computers alone are not a solution for poor processes or a lack of standards in the management of records or archives. For example, the computer cannot be a replacement for, or an alternative to, a properly designed classification system. On the other hand, if such a classification system is in place prior to computerization, the computer can automate it, facilitate access, and provide a faster search mechanisms for it and permit the assignment of relevant file numbers to paper records quickly and efficiently. Following are some reasons an organization might choose to automate its records or archives functions, or indeed any of its functions. Accuracy of information and calculations. Speedy retrieval of information. Reliability of information once input. Increased ability to manipulate data once input. Ability to ensure greater accuracy and consistency in the performance of routine tasks. Large capacity for storage of information. Accessibility of information. Expandability of computer systems. Flexibility of computer systems. Cost efficiency of operations. Better utilization of personnel. Savings in space and equipment. Instantaneous updating. Multiple simultaneous access to information. New approaches to work processes uses of automation. Almost any operation in a records office or record center can be automated. Automated technologies can be used for a wide range of records functions. However, this does not mean all such operations should necessarily be computerized. The decision about what to automate, what not to automate, and how to prioritize functions in an automation process is considered below. Potential records-related functions to which technology can be applied include administrative tasks such as correspondence, personnel management, accounting, or reporting. Classification and listing of current records. Printing file labels. Scheduling of current records. Location and tracking of current and semi-current records and boxes. Information about authorized users of current and semi-current records. Identification of records for disposal to record centers or archives. Management of physical space and storage for current records, semi-current records, or archives. Management of deposits in record centers. Acquisition and accessioning of archives. Donor files in archives. Preservation assessments. Reference and retrieval of archives. Registration of users and researchers. Provision of finding aids or descriptive information about records or archives.